guys, it's marcraftsy here, and I am back again with another plan with me. And this time I think I will do a lot of things. No, not a lot of things, but things I will do. There will be things I will do differently as from other plan with me's. And in the last one I already said that I challenge myself to use up all of my or at least I will try to use up all of my Cook Daisy stuff. And yes, it's actually the washi tape I have just put down is from the November kit, so well, yeah. Anyway, as you can see, I am pulling out all the scraps I have created since beginning of October, and I am trying to make them decorate my page. And no, they just they are too squared for me. And although I like boxes and I like things that have a shape like not an amorph shape, but a real good shape. Okay, that sounds just weird, I know. Just bear with me, I am getting there. But since this flip out page is having more and more oh gosh, okay, let's start from the beginning. So this flip out page is going through right now of a change, so to speak, and I am liking squares. No, my liking of squares is I don't know, coming to an end, and I am experimenting with different things. Like right now, as you can see, I am just putting down washi tape, and actually it will stay like that with all these washi tapes put down. So this will be my background for those pumpkins, and those pumpkins are from the I cut it out from the packaging of the paper clips, and they are it's very much usable. It's a nice addition to my planner, so I would say you just need to look around. Maybe you can use up all your packaging just like I do right now. So yeah, that's one side of my flip out page, and I really like it how this turned out. And let's get to the other side. Usually I use the papers that come in the planner kit, but to be honest, right now I don't really like them as much. So here we go. You might guess it, I will use the notes page, the notepad, for the other side of my flip out page. And to be honest, I like it a lot, and it will give me not just more room, but it will be so much easier to write on them, because the pattern paper are very nice and high quality, and because of that it's very hard to write with any kind of pen on them. If it's not a, I don't know, even with the gel pen, it's just, oh, sometimes it really makes me go crazy. Anyway, my page is almost done, but the other side is, guess what, too empty. So yes, what will I do? I will stamp on it because I love stamping still. And we have these adorable Simon and Betty stamps that came in the classified kit. Yes, and that's my face. And because somehow we have a hate-love relationship with this Betty stamp, it just never really wants to give me a clear, how do you say it, stamped image. Yes, I would stick with that stamped image. I like it. It sounds so professional, doesn't it? So I'm almost done actually, and I just love those falling leaves, and I want to put them anywhere and everywhere in my planner. So, and I won't even color it. And yes, I should wait every time. I am never waiting out to dry. Oh, to let it dry. I mean my stamped pages. And that's a clue. If you have a Cocoa Daisy acrylic block, yes, acrylic block, which you can stamp with, you can use it for washi cutting. And here happens the magic, because I won't do my trackers or my meal planning on that flip out page. And so while I decide where to do my tracking, here I am faced with another decision, and I mean by so when I divide my pages, usually I leave the least space for Saturday and Sunday. But Saturday and Sunday are usually for me my main, how do I say it, to-do days, chores days, and Monday too. So for now I have decided, because Thursday and Friday are mainly work days, because I work flexible hours. So on Thursday and Friday I work the most, so I don't have that much time to do stuff at home. So I decided to change up how I do my columns for the specific days. So that's what you can see here. And I have my Oh Good Idea stickers out for my water intake. And no, it's just not just water, tea, water, how the juice, so any kind, because I am horrible in winter with my hydration, really. And yes, those are my I feel like a genius. Even though I'm not one, I do feel like a genius to figuring out where to do my tracking. So because I don't use those squares on the bottom that much, I figured, okay, let's do my tracking there. And guess what? It worked out. It's nice. And this is my setup for this week. Thank you for joining me, and I see you next time. Bye bye.